If you want to make your Google Calendar look cleaner, softer, and way more aesthetic, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Calendar pastel colors in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to organize different calendars, make your schedule easier to read, and give your calendar a more minimal, calming look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This method works best on desktop because that's where you can easily change the calendar color settings. Once Google Calendar is open, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a section called My Calendars. Under that section, find the calendar you want to change. If you use multiple calendars for work, personal tasks, school, or content planning, this is where you can customize each one individually. Now, next to the calendar name, click the three dots menu. This opens the settings and options for that specific calendar. From here, you'll see the color options available. Click on the color picker or the available shade list and choose a light pastel color. Look for softer tones like light pink, baby blue, lavender, mint, peach, or pale yellow. These pastel shades make the calendar look much cleaner and easier on the eyes. Once you select the color, the change happens right away. You can repeat the same process for any other calendar you want to customize. This is especially useful if you want to color code your schedule while still keeping the overall look soft and stylish. A good tip is to assign different pastel colors to different areas of your life. For example, use one shade for work, another for personal events, and another for deadlines or reminders. That way, your calendar stays organized without looking too bold or cluttered. And if you ever want to change it again, just go back to the three dots and pick a new pastel shade anytime. So that's how to make Google Calendar pastel colors in just a few clicks. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how your calendar feels and functions. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide.